950,000 jobs. $725 billion. 56% of CEOs reporting zero return. This is the great AI betrayal. Starting in 2023, tech companies began the largest coordinated layoff wave in Silicon Valley history. Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Oracle, Dell, 260,000 jobs cut in a single year. And they all said the same thing. AI is replacing you. By 2026, tech layoffs are up 33% from the same period last year. The worst pace since 2023, and the year isn't over. CEOs promised AI would make every worker twice as productive. That ROI would be visible within 12 months. That costs would drop dramatically. Here's what actually happened. 56% of CEOs now report no measurable revenue or cost benefit from AI. Only 28% of finance leaders can point to clear, proven value. And according to MIT, AI automation is only economically viable for 23% of roles. 23%. They fired 90% of the workforce for a 23% solution. But the story gets worse. There's a new term you need to know: token maxing. It's what happens when companies deploy AI at scale, and nobody's watching the bill. Uber gave 5,000 engineers access to AI coding tools in December 2025. By April 2026, their entire annual AI budget was gone. One healthcare company burned through 1 trillion tokens over 6 months. The finance team had no idea until a $6 million invoice arrived. And across enterprise customers, token consumption grew 1,000% in just 15 months. An NVIDIA executive said it plainly. The cost of compute is far beyond the cost of the employees. A human engineer costs $100,000 to $200,000 a year. AI tools? $500 to $2,000 per employee, per month. Before token bills. Do that math. At scale, companies are now spending more on AI than they ever paid in the salaries they eliminated. And yet, they're doubling down. $725 billion in AI capital spending. In 2026 alone. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, building data centers faster than they can fill them. By 2030, projections put total AI infrastructure spend at $5.3 trillion. That's not an investment. That's a bet the size of a country's GDP. The cracks are already showing. Budgets burning. ROI missing. Workers gone. And the bills just keep climbing. So the question isn't whether AI is real. The question is, who actually pays for this? There are two paths forward. Path A. Companies find real AI use cases, costs stabilize, and the workforce slowly rebuilds. Path B. The bubble pops. Budgets collapse. A wave of write-downs hits the market, and workers who are fired never come back. History suggests Path B is more likely. Follow Droptix AI for the next update. Because this story is just getting started.